How to cancel order on Foodpanda app. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So open up the Foodpanda app first and you should be finding this. You need to place the order first in order to cancel it. Once you place the order, you will be finding this page. So from the given page, head over to the help section at the top right corner, tap on it. After tapping on it, here you will be taken to order details. So from the option, select can I cancel my order? Tap on the third option. After tapping on it, you need to select up a reason why would you like to cancel your order. So there are some reasons available. You may select up the reason that you are preferring. For example, you have accidentally placed an order. After that, confirm it. And once you do, this pops up, select yes. And then your order should be cancelled successfully. So that's it. That is how you cancel your order on your Foodpanda app. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.